I ordered this off Amazon for like $30. I couldn't tell you, I've never heard of the brand before, but it was cheap. Probably cheaper than what I could have got at my local bike shop, so I figured I'd give it a try. There is a tire brush, Fleece Grove to do the frame. It's a regular brush just to do between the spokes and whatnot, looks like. A little brush for the tighter spots. A little corner brush for all the little very tight spots. A wheel sickle hook. Also, one of the main reasons I bought it, it's not pictured there, but the chain cleaner. I see in the listing here there are a couple things that aren't on the packaging, but they're in there nonetheless. Not quite sure what this is, but I'm sure I'll find a use for it. Looks like it's probably for those little hard reach spots as well. Well, there's everything. I like that that's on a little bit of a sort of a key ring, but there are some additional pieces that I have to figure out what they're for, but let's give it a shot. Especially under there. The real trick is around all these little gaps and whatnot. So it's nice that these are all, they're not permanently on there. This is just a keychain basically. But this will take care of a lot of things like down in between the gears and whatnot. That's good. Get all that crap in there. Not quite small enough for that one. In the quick connect, little crevices in the derailleur. In between here. bigger brush helps. The back of the dork disc, because I never took it off. This is always a trouble area here. I really like how this worked. You got this this brush here, which just kind of fits right in there. If you shift it and get it in there, you can actually fit up in there and get all that grease out. That's really nice. I needed one of these in my life. I'm guessing this thing is probably good for the chainstays. Get in between all that. You know, there's a lot of crap in there. Tends to be one of the dirtier parts of the bike, especially around these little crevices and the derailleurs. There's a little spring in here. Just take it off the keychain. This is not meant to scrub, but just to gouge stuff out. All that crap that gets between there. There we go. So yeah, not too bad. And it's spick and span. Got on all those little tight places. Not too anal about the wheels. But certainly getting in all the moving parts is important. Not really worried about the top tube. It's mostly all the grease and whatnot that I'm really worried about. So, seems to have done a good job. I'm really happy on how it cleaned the drivetrain. And it did get in there. Keep that bottom bracket clear. You don't want those bearings seizing up on you. Between the wires. This bike has internal cabling housing, so it does cut down on some of the mess. But yeah, some things aren't going to shine out. But I don't really care. So yeah, good deal.